If you're new here, my name is Janelle. I am a cosmetologist in Montana, and I thought today I would just get on and do a quick update about my Lilac Street lashes. I did a video a couple weeks ago, and I've been wearing them for about a month now, so I just thought I would go ahead and give you guys a quick update on how they're wearing, what my initial thoughts were, and then also at the end I'm gonna show you guys a quick comparison of the original style lashes that I wore in my other video and then the Hollywood ones, which I have on today. So I've been able to wear these like 4 or 5 days without any issues. I'm careful when I shower not to get them like soaking wet. But the biggest thing is I don't have to be as careful as I thought I would. You know, everybody says, oh, don't get them wet, don't wash your face, whatever. Like, I've cried in these and they stay on. I do think it makes them not last quite as long because the glue breaks down a little faster, I noticed. But I haven't had any issues wearing them at least 3 to 5 days. You could probably wear them longer, but for me personally, at that like 4 or 5 day mark, I'm just wanting to like scrub my face really well and give a deep clean and rub my eyes. So I don't think I would wear them more than about 5 days. Today is Sunday and I put these on Tuesday evening because I got a new style in the mail. I was really excited to try them. So I've had these on for like 5.5 days now, and just this outer corner is starting to get a little kind of floppy and loose, so I'm going to take them off today. But that's, I mean, my initial thoughts. I really like them. I mean, I've only not been wearing them maybe 3 or 4 days out of this month, kind of in between putting sets on. So I guess that's my thoughts for now. I will continue to be purchasing and wearing them. I just thought I'd give you a little up close of this style. These are the Hollywood style. They're like spikier than the originals. Excuse the glare on my glasses. I know it's not ideal, but I like to be able to see. So I'll show you here. These ones on this side are the originals, and the spikier ones over here, they're just more centered, like there's more lashes in the center of them than the edges of them. And these are both 12 millimeters, but I kind of did back and forth a longer size and a shorter size to get this spikier look. But that's really all I was gonna hop on and say. I know it's really short, but I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope this was helpful. I will leave a link to my Instagram and all of the Lilac Street products that I showed today, and I hope you have a good one. Bye.